Hey everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to upload and share files using Google Drive. First, head to the top right of your browser and click on the Google Apps button. It looks like a grid of dots. Then select Drive. Once you're in Google Drive, I recommend staying organized. Go to the top left and click New, then select New Folder. Give your folder a name and press Create. Now, double-click into your new folder. To upload files, click New again, then select File Upload. Choose the file, or multiple files, you want to upload. You can even upload full folders too. Click Open, and your files will begin uploading. You'll see the progress in the bottom right. Once uploaded, you can share files or folders. To share a single file, right-click the file, hover over Share, click Share. To share a whole folder, click on the folder name at the top, hover over Share, press Share. A sharing window will pop up. At the bottom, you can change the access settings. Set it to anyone with the link if you want to make it easy to share. Then just press Copy Link and you're ready to send it. Anyone with the link can now access and download the file or folder. That's it. Now you know how to upload and share files in Google Drive. If this helped you out, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more easy tutorials. Catch you in the next one.